Hey there. Did you know that around 70% of people feel stuck in their lives at some point? Crazy, right? So, let me ask you, have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions, but not really living? Well, today we're diving into something super exciting, reinventing yourself. In a world that's constantly changing, being able to adapt and craft a new identity isn't just a nice to have, it's a crucial skill. So, if you're ready to shake things up and explore who you can truly become, stick around. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges that come with trying to change your identity. First off, there's that pesky fear of judgment. You know, the voices in your head telling you that people will think you're weird or that you don't belong. It can feel like a huge roadblock. Then, there's the lack of clarity, like, what do you even want to change? You might feel overwhelmed with choices or unsure about where to start. And let's not forget about the pressure to make it happen quickly. Society tells us we need instant results, but the reality is that reinvention is a journey, not a sprint. So, these challenges can make it tough to take that first step. Exploration/development. So, how do we tackle this? Let's break it down into a step-by-step process for crafting a new identity. First, self-reflection is key. Take some time to think about who you are and who you want to be. What are your passions? What do you enjoy? Next, set clear intentions. It's like drawing a map for your journey. Write down what you want to achieve and why it matters to you. Once you've got that clarity, it's time to take action. Start small. Maybe it's trying out a new hobby, meeting new people, or changing your routine. The important thing is to be consistent. Little steps add up to big changes over time. So, embrace the process and give yourself permission to evolve. Climax/key moment. Now, let me share a powerful story that perfectly illustrates this journey of reinvention. Meet Sarah. Just a couple of years ago, she was stuck in a job that drained her spirit. She felt lost and unfulfilled. One day, she decided enough was enough. Sarah took a leap. She began exploring her passion for art, something she'd loved as a child but never pursued. With dedication and perseverance, she not only honed her skills but also started sharing her artwork online. Fast forward to today, and Sarah is now a successful artist, inspiring others through her journey. Her transformation didn't just change her career, it changed her entire outlook on life. That's the power of reinvention. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, remember the key steps we discussed: self-reflection, setting clear intentions, and taking those small, actionable steps. Reinventing yourself is a journey, and it's crucial to be patient with yourself and practice self-compassion along the way. You're allowed to grow and change. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever thought about reinventing yourself? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more self-improvement tips, don't forget to check out my other videos. Let's keep this journey going together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.